Use foreign currency. If you have activated foreign currency and if you have foreign currency transactions, you can use this option. When you are generating sales order report, there's option use foreign currency. If you tick this option, transactions will display customers currency. You can see there are two transactions. First one currency is R and second one currency is dollars. If you untick this option, transactions value will display in home currency. Furthermore, you can see grand total will display if you untick this use foreign currency tick box. We'll tick this again and refresh. Now system will not display grand total. If you want to view the grand total, you can uncheck this use foreign currency checkbox and refresh.